Alright, this is lesson 4, complex fractions. We're doing problems number 5 and 6. So if you feel good about what we've done so far, go ahead and pause the video and try to do it by yourself. Alright, on this one, I am probably going to want to factor, or at least feel like it. But if I look, I've got x's here and x's here. I'm going to expect one of them to cancel, so I probably don't need to factor so much. The only reason I might want to factor is to figure out restrictions possibly, but I don't think that's going into a denominator, so I think I can avoid factoring this. So let's instead change this to multiply, and then we're going to flip this fraction, so x over 1. So I can go ahead and cancel these out. Over 1 is not going to do anything, so my final answer is x squared plus x minus 6. Whew, these are easy. They look tough, but they're not too bad. I may speak too soon, I don't know. Let's look at number 6. Number 6, we're going to have to put this as one fraction, and this is one fraction. So we'll need to start off with a common denominator. Let's look at for the common denominator of the top. It has to have a 2, it has to have an x. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be a 2x. To make this 2 look like a 2x, I'm going to multiply by x, but then I have to also multiply by x on top. So x over x, that is 1. So then I'm going to multiply here and get x. And then over here I'm going to multiply it to go from x to 2x. I need to multiply by 2, so 2 over 2. So that's going to end up being x plus 2. So I'm just rewriting this as one fraction put together. Alright, this is the fraction bar from here, and then I'm going to have to put these together. So I see 4, I see an x squared, my common denominator is going to be 4x squared. I'm going to multiply, alright, so I've got a 4, I need an x squared, so I'm going to multiply by x squared over x squared. And so when I multiply here, I get x squared. And then I have an x squared, I need a 4, so I'm going to multiply by 4 over 4. Now this is really a minus 1 times 4, so that's going to be a minus 4. Now here, I do see there's something that I can factor, so I may need to do that. But I'm going to go ahead and do my rewrite. So I'm going to keep this the same. I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal, so 4x squared over x squared minus 4. That goes ahead. Let's go ahead and factor that. So that's going to be x plus 2x minus 2. So x plus 2, x minus 2, because I'm going to go ahead and be canceling it out anyway as I simplify. So x plus 2 cancels with x plus 2. 4 over 2 will simplify to 2. And then there's 2 x's here and 1 x here, so 2 x's on top and 1 x on the bottom. I can cancel out one of the x's, so I'll get rid of that. Get rid of that. So it looks like in the numerator I have 2x over, and in the denominator I've got x minus 2. Again, do not try to cancel 2's, do not try to cancel x's. These two are tied together with subtraction, so do not try to break them apart in a process that only uses multiplication. So this is my final answer, 2x over x minus 2.